Hello, today I want to show you the medicines that I keep it in the refrigerators in the pharmacy. We have a multiple sclerosis patients, therefore we have interferon beta 1b injections in our pharmacy. This is a brand in my country. We have interferon beta 1 alpha with beta 1b injections. These are automers. We have a glatiramer acetate. We have a probiotic for vaginal. We have such a multivitamin for baby that we keep it on the refrigerators. These are the different probiotic. We have the glatiramer acetate, another injection. This is a 40 milligram per milliliter. I forget this dose. This is a 250 microgram per milliliter, and this dose is 12 international unit, 12 million international unit. We have a human mono. Human, okay, I should say it in English. This is a human menopausal gonadotropin, HMG, 75 international unit injections, and this one is a chorionic gonadotropin, 5,000 international unit injections, interferon beta 1A, and this is a different dosage. We keep it, have it here. This dosage is 6 million international units for the multiple sclerosis patients. We have injections for Butex, Clostridium botulinum type A. We have a calcitonin spray. This is a dosage 100. We have a 200 also calcitonin spray. This is a nasal calcitonin spray. We have a different probiotic drop for the baby. We have a tetanus injection intramuscular. This is a 250 international unit per 1 milliliter. These are the vitamin B1, B6, B12 injections. This is the interferon beta 1A, 30 microgram for multiple sclerosis patients. Okay. This is a glatiramer acetate, 40 milligram per milliliter, the other brands. This one is a glatiramer acetate again, 40 milligram for other brands. We have a homolog insulin. We have a Novorapid insulin. We have a Apidra insulin, and we have also very big refrigerator, also another one in the other room for the insulins. We have tetrakozakitide long-acting injections ampoules here. We have vitamin C, acid ascorbic injection here. We have sinototropin, we have erythropoietin injection, erythropoietin 4,000 international unit here. You see, these are the erythropoietin. Also, we have another type of regular insulin, and the other insulins is there. We have a diltiazem ointment, ungumentum here. Other probiotic, and we have a ophthalmicum eye drop, sterile eye drop, latanoperost. We have a Mixacord polymyxin eye drop here. We have a Cuprost. This is a latanoperost with timolol mixture. This is this brand, and this is also in my country generic compounding. What is there also? Okay, we have nothing else here. I just take this video for you to show you what we have it here. Also, we have one temperature measuring here inside, and this one also show the temperature inside also. Now the temperature is 6 degrees Celsius, and this is good because the temperature should be between 2 and 8. Okay, have a good time. If you like this video, please don't like to put the like symbol for me. Have a good time. Bye bye.